What's up, my loves? It's your girl CiCi. Boy, it's your girl. Why am I so gangster? What's up, my loves? It's your girl CiCi Moya, and in today's video I am showing you how I created this quick spring look, very fun, a bright gold situation on my eyes with a little bit of a smoky orange, brown, coppery color. Anyway, you'll see. Yeah, this was very fun to do. I hope you enjoy, and if you do, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, support your girl, subscribe if you're not already. I use my fingers a lot in this video to blend concealer, foundation. Anyway, you'll see, but this is new for me. I used my fingers a little bit, but not to the extent that I did today. So if you want to see how that went down, just keep on watching. So like I said, I've been using my fingers to blend in my concealer, and it's a game changer. But the real hack is to warm it up first on the back of your hand. And then when you apply it, it's so smooth. It applies just like lotion. So if you're into an everyday kind of look, try using your concealer that way. Warm it up first on the back of your hand, and then just cover your imperfections with your concealer. I'm not using any liquid foundation today, so this will basically act as my foundation. I'm going in with a lighter color just for a brighter look. Both of the concealers are by Maybelline Fit Me. The first color was 45, the next one is 30, and all the products will be in the description below. To bronze my nose, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Shaping Stick in the color Chestnut, and I should have warmed it on the back of my hand before applying it to my nose. It took me a while to blend, but I'm doing that for my cheeks, well, the perimeter of my face, and also in my crease, in my eye crease. I'm using a lipstick as a blush today. I'll link it in the description box, but it's almost finished. I've had this for a while, but look at this beautiful natural finish. I'm in love. And to set my concealer, I'm using the Sacha Buttercup powder, but I'm going very lightly because I'm not going for a cakey look at all. I really want a dewy, natural, smooth base. And for my overall powder, I'm using the Mineralized Dark Deep powder, and to bronze, the Trailblazer bronzer by Morphe. To blush, this is the e.l.f. palette. This is a game changer. This color is absolutely gorgeous, and it acts as a highlighter as well. So for my eyes, this is the Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm Morphe palette. And this is, I would say this is a go-to palette for women of color. These colors are so pigmented, so rich, just beautiful. And I use the colors On Camera, Rush, and Mugshot, the 3 colors for this look. That's it, guys. That's all I used. So simple. In my waterline, I'm using a cream, like a nude eyeliner. For my eyeliner, I'm using an NYC. I don't think you can get this anywhere else but Canada, so I won't bother telling you what it is. Just a black eyeliner. And these are the Ardell Wispy Lashes. These are perfect for everyday look. The CoverGirl Total Tease Mascara. This is a waterproof mascara, so if your eyes water a lot, you will love this one. I'm lining my lips with the NYX, this is too long to spell, but the Urban Cafe color. And the lipstick that I'll be using is a collaboration by Katy Perry and CoverGirl, and the color is Sphinx. That's it. That's all it was. So simple, pretty quick, I would say. And even for my hair, I'm doing the least. But this, again, it's just a really spring, fun vibe. I would say spring-inspired look today. And I hope that you are inspired to create your own look. I'm just excited for summer to come. I think we're all we're all over the winter. If you live in Canada, we had a rough one, so a nice warm weather season is very welcomed. Very, very welcomed. Oh, and if you care to know, for my edges, I use the Shine and Jam gel. It doesn't flake, it's perfect, even for braiding. So here's the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. And again, if you're not subscribed, make sure you are. Support your girl, okay? And I'll see you in my next one. Remember to stand tall. Remember to stand tall in life and in love. Mwah.